and I wasn't willing to do the work that I am willing to do now.
All right, any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Who is Tyree Ranford?
He's the guy that I'd met at the bus stop who had the drugs.
So are you employed?
I work for an app called ShiftSmart.
And what do you do?
I go to different Circle K's and I either clean the store or stock their walk-in freezer.
All right. Any other witnesses you want to call, Mom?
No.
So that I can have,
I didn't talk to the mom about testifying, but if she's here, I think she'd be willing to see if the court had any questions for her.
I do.
Okay. Oh, what's her name? Maureen Henniker.
All right, the deputy is going to have you stand over there. All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Maureen Kemper.
All right, so I have a few questions for you.
Okay.
All right, I'm trying to make a decision on whether or not to give her a felony conviction or whether or not to give her deferred adjudication. So just before we start with my questions, I want you to know that your testimony, if I don't give her deferred, it's not your fault. If I
Okay.
do give her your deferred, so there is no need for you, every
Right.
answer that you give
Right.
me is the correct answer. So is she currently living with you?
Yes.
All right. And when she was placed on deferred adjudication back in 2015, was she living with you or no?
Oh, yeah, no,
All right.
no.
So what is her daily routine like with you?
It varies. It depends on if she has a shift.
Mhm.
If she has a shift, she's up and gone before I'm up because she has to take the bus.
Mhm.
Otherwise they're home. I mean, her daughter's at the house too. She's 14 and we're homeschooling. There's other issues with her daughter. It's just if either she goes to work or she's at the house, honestly.
You wake up, you make breakfast.
No,
What
I
ti-
wake up and run out the door to work.
Okay, what time do you normally wake up?
I'm up by like 5:30, 6
And
on a
what-
workday.
And what time are you out of the house?
I gotta be by 7 or I'm late for work.
Okay. And then Megan and her daughter, are they
home,
they're
yeah.
usually up or getting up?
Bella, not so much, but Megan, yeah, yeah.
All right. So when she was in her addiction in the past,
Mhm.
were you able to notice changes and could you tell that there were issues?
She wasn't at my house when she started that.
Okay.
I am a registered nurse and I have seen it. There are times when I've seen it, yes.
All right. So you
In
would
the
be able to
past.
know if there are some issues if she were falling off her schedule.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
All right. And if she were to fall off her schedules,
Then she's
Would-
out of my house.
all right. Well, before she's out of your house, would you be willing to contact probation?
Oh, yeah, if
All right.
that's what you want me to do, absolutely.
And what I can tell you, this defense counsel will tell you that if someone has a mental health issue, if they have a drug issue, my goal when they're placed on probation is to help them with that and help them stay on track. Of
Mhm.
course, if they're not doing their part, then sometimes there's nothing I can do for them but send them to prison. So I will want to alleviate any fears that you have that sometimes parents may have. Oh, I can't tell probation because my child will go to prison.
Ma'am, I'm a registered nurse. I can't have it in my house.
Okay.
I can't.
So you'll let us know?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
All right. Any other questions? All right. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you. Well, I guess I would, if I.
Sure.
Does it appear to you she's doing better now?
Oh, yeah. 100%. I mean, she had lived with, so she was very good right before COVID, right? And we actually went through getting her daughter away from her dad
Mhm.
because that was a big thing.
Mhm.
And she did great. She actually homeschooled her daughter and my other granddaughter because she was the only one that got furloughed.
Mhm.
She did wonderfully all through that. Then she kind of slid a little bit after that. And then she left. And so, yeah,
So she had a pretty bad relapse. She was out there,
right,
but now she's doing better.
yes.
Did she appear clearer to you?
Oh, yeah, oh,
Yeah.
yeah, oh, yeah, I can tell. I can tell. When she's eating me out of house and home, I know she's good.
Is she eating you out?
Yes.
Oh, good. Okay, I love that. Thank you.
That's the
All right,
truth.
so I
Thank you
love
so
it.
much.
I think we all know that's a good
Any
sign.
questions, State?
No, you're on.
All right, thank you.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, if you'll come forward. So according to the TAP evaluation, I think they're recommending DDRF, is that correct?
I did see that rec for the DDRF and Mick.
And it's the May
Your analysis after and silver support.
I'm sorry?
Monthly your analysis and silver support.
And
All right, are you currently receiving mental health treatment?
Yes, ma'am.
And who is that with?
Right side?
do you have your phone here?
Yeah.
Would you mind if we showed the appointment on her phone?
Oh, no, she just will need to give it to
Okay.
probation.
She has some information on her phone if the court would care to see it.
No. She'll need to show it to probation.
Okay.
Okay.
So probation, I'm thinking we'll start with, since she's already receiving treatment through Brightside, you're gonna have to sign a release so that probation can have that and they'll know when your appointments are. DDRF, that's in custody. So you need to make sure that you stay on track with everything.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Tyree, Tyree, Ranford, Ranford. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, MIC caseload, continued treatment with right side, field visits 1 time per month for 6 months, 120 sober meetings in 120 days, $1,500 fine, that will be probated, 200 hours of community service restitution. What is your dream job?
Dual diagnosis substance abuse counselor.
Okay. If you are able to do that and complete it and obtain your certification, the court will deem the community service hours satisfied.
Okay.
Probation, is there anything else? I'm sorry, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Anything else, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record in this courtroom and state your excuse. In this courtroom, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If you have an issue, you need to let probation know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. You're going to need to sign those releases so probation can make sure that you're keeping up with your appointments at Brightside. Do you understand? Do you have any questions about anything?
No.
All right, just wait in the courtroom and probation will go over conditions for you.
In Your Honor, I thought the misdemeanor was being TIC'd on this.
Let me check and see. Yes. And taking consideration 707107.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Uh, no, they'll get this. No.
Yes. Two. Yes, it's just the possession.
They need to be moved to the side, because the interpreter needs to talk to them. When the judge is on the record, she doesn't want anybody speaking with them, they can move them to the side, on top.
Counsel, you ready?
May I reapproach Judge on John Ramirez?
Yes.
Deputy, these two gentlemen at the end. Need to go on top.
Yes.
He's present, Judge, and in reference to his matter, probation did inform us that he is scheduled for a intake appointment for outpatient services, 8 o'clock a.m. for tomorrow.
All right, so if you do not make probation on John Ramirez, if he doesn't make that appointment for tomorrow, file a motion to revoke. All right. Do you have any questions?
I'll make it. Duly noted, we've discussed the importance of that meeting, and he's definitely
Okay.
going to be there, Judge, and follow all the instructions of the court.
Okay. Is there anything else?
Nothing further, Judge, may be excused.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
That's good.
Excuse me, you all have dimmed the lights.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. That's okay. And we've gone back down. Michonne. I'm waiting for the hors d'oeuvres to be served now.
This sentencing hearing begins with immediate tension as Judge Stephanie Boyd reviews the plea bargain. 8 years in prison on the table, but a possible deferred adjudication still up for debate. The defendant, Megan Kathleen Coner already has a history. She was previously granted deferred adjudication only to have it revoked. That fact becomes the central conflict of the hearing. When Judge Boyd asks why she should risk granting deferred again, the defense responds with a heartfelt narrative. Megan struggled with addiction from a young age, endured significant trauma, and now, older, sober, and in treatment, claims she is finally ready to rebuild her life. The judge swears her in, questioning her directly about employment, past associates, and her readiness for responsibility. But the turning point comes when Megan's mother takes the stand. As a registered nurse who has witnessed addiction up close, she pledges full accountability. If Megan slips, she will notify probation immediately. Judge Boyd probes further, probing for structure, for honesty, for assurance there will be no enabling. The testimony is emotional, raw, and decisive. After reviewing the TAP evaluation and confirming Megan's ongoing mental health treatment, Judge Boyd delivers her ruling. The courtroom stills. Instead of prison or a felony conviction, she issues 6 years of deferred adjudication, but a strict, unforgiving version. No contact with drug associates, random UAs, monthly field visits, 120 sober meetings in 120 days, continued treatment, 200 hours of community service, proof of employment in 30 days, and restrictions on jobs involving minors. Judge Boyd's final message is clear. Communication, accountability, and honesty will determine whether Megan succeeds or ends up in prison.